What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code on Yahoo Mail. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Yahoo. After typing, you will see this first official website of Yahoo Mail. Simply click on it. And after clicking, you will see this type of sign-in page on your Yahoo if you are new to Yahoo. So just sign in with your email or username or mobile uh, and just enter your password, or you can just sign in with Google. Now, after signing in, on the right side, you can see this envelope icon and you can see this profile icon of yours. Click on this and then click on manage your account. Now, after clicking on manage your account, enter your account and then click on next. Type in your passkey. And after typing your passkey, it will sign you into your Yahoo Mail. Now, after coming here at the top, you can see the security option. After clicking on the security option, you can just scroll a bit down, or you can just turn on two-step verification from here, or you can turn it on from here. After turning it on, click on Authenticator app. After clicking on Authenticator app, here is the QR code to add a new account and scan the QR code. And now from here, you can scan this QR code and get the Authenticator app. So this is how you can scan a QR code on Yahoo. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.